Today I want to show you guys how it looks like an ultimate hobby CNC machine. But first of all, we have to find the dimensions of the base what we want to machining. So the whole length must be up to 1000 millimeter. Width 600, height is 400 millimeter. This is our job basically. It means we can machine an 800 millimeter diameter tube or a piece of square metal or whatever between these dimensions. So to see how the machine should look like, we have to make a frame for that. And wait a second. Yeah, it looks like this, a frame, which means the frame must have like 1000 millimeter width on a machining room for a base, and it must be like 600 millimeter width plus something for the frame and stuffs like that, and the height must be like 400 plus something as well. Just make sure our job will fit there, and also it needs some room for a tool as well. So the machine itself basically must be bigger than the job, than the base itself. So, and this wheel doesn't want to work, but we don't care. Okay, let's see the plan. The plan is something like this. This is simple enough. We got one, wait a second, we got one tool here, which is a milling tool, could be, or anything. We got one rotating chuck, and the other chuck could be just a normal free running chuck. We will see in the next videos what kind of chuck and the axis and stuff we can buy from eBay, Amazon and websites like that, and how can we assemble them together. Okay, what we want is we want to work on this axe. Here we go. So the rotating chuck will be here, like the other chuck will be like here. As there, here will be another like stepping motor, step motors, or some electronic, or I don't know yet. The other side only a free running bearing, some frame and some and one chuck. It could be with a center, or we will see what we use for that job. Or even we can put a table to the chuck against the center, and we can turn the table like we can see on this machine. And also the interesting thing, you can make this table as well. So just get two pieces of place and make it, weld the tube on or a bar on, hold it on between two centers, and you mill that for yourself, and that's it basically. Okay, how it looks like that. There's a job, in the center, on the center, sorry, like that. So that's the main plan, and after, and here we can see uh, the dimensions of the machine. So after this we can make a frame for that, probably a bottom frame, and when we finish the bottom frame we will see how it goes, some sliding, things like that, and after on this axis we will go on, we will make another slider like a bed, and here as well for for a tool holder as well, another axe. Okay, hopefully I will finish the second video today or tomorrow. Hi guys.